mean, there's so much slime. Look at all this. I never knew there could be this much slime inside of this. What? Welcome back to the Turner Bovey Show, and today we're going to be opening this and seeing what's inside of it. It's usually like slime inside, I would say, but we're going to see. And also, before we start the video, remember to like, subscribe, and enjoy. So we're going to start by cutting it open with scissors, and you always have to use blue scissors because they work better. So just remember to like, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the video. So first, to start off, we're going to just take the scissors, we're going to cut these ropes off. So, see you when I'm done cutting the ropes. Okay, so here's the rope, and here's the ball of slime, I guess. That's what I would say. Now what we're going to do is just going to take scissors and cut it open. Okay, so yeah. I'm going to say that this is slime. Because, yeah, I'm gonna say this is slime, because it is slime, because that's how it works. You use the ball, and then this rope goes around it, and then, really, I kind of like the inside more than just playing with it, because this is slime. I mean, yeah. That's the end of the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and remember that my channel name is called The Turner Bovey Show. So, yeah. So, that's the end of the video. And what? Oh, gotta go.